Hey bear cubs, look what we have today. We have baby ducks swimming in the lake. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 baby ducks and a mama. Look how little they are. And they're fuzzy too. They're so cute. I'm going to try to follow them, see where they go. Right now I'm stepping in lots of mud. I hope I don't fall, because I'm following the baby ducks. Ooh, I just slipped a little. Look at how they follow their mom. They're good little duckies. They do what they're supposed to. There's 3 straying off there. Go back to your mom. Oh, you two go back over there. There you go. Oh, I'm stepping in so much mud. But they're so cute, I can't stand it. They're spreading out. Get back over there. Oh, you're coming to the shore. Gonna have to move back a little bit. Oops, sorry. I wish they'd come over to me and say hi. They remind me of you guys. Maybe we should have named ourselves the ducklings instead of the bear cubs. Like, this is us going to the pool. And me and Rachel are saying, on the wall, everybody over to the wall, make room for the rest of the J. Wish they'd just stop for a minute. I mean, come on, give me a break. I like these guys right up here. Come here. could sit here and watch these babies all day. They're so cute. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Bye-bye.